The thing about Frim is, if you do not like Frim, or if you claim that Frim is bad, most people, most traders will even be like, Frim is a waste of time. It is.
Yeah.
They've tried and they failed. Between 2020 and 2022, I went through like 5 to 6 mentorships. Una no pay money for mentorship.
I can't. I think that's all. No. One last question.
Okay.
How can I make $100,000? This interview you're about to watch is about to blow your mind. It is about to open your mind into understanding the major reason why you haven't gotten funded yet. I understand you've struggled a lot of times to get your first payout or even your first funded account, but it is quite difficult. But Kelvin Talent has broken down the major problems and given us a solution. Of course, I've been trading for 3 years with prop firms, and I can tell you he's not wrong. And coming from his experience from 2023 to this point, definitely you can tell that he's made from money. And I can tell you, if you follow this simple plan, follow this simple system that he has given us in terms of an advice, then you're going to make good money. So without further ado, hit the subscribe button, the like one, and of course, send this to somebody who is trying to get funded with prop firms and make the most money. Did I mention, if you want to get any form of funded account, you can use the link in the description and get a 35% discount when you use PEX is King at the checkout. You don't want to miss out on anything. Let us dive into this interview. Let's go. How long have you been trading?
6 years. About 6 years.
So since 2020?
Since 2020. Actually started like 2019. Well, took it serious in 2020.
So let's just say from 2020 till now. So if you look at 2020, from that point till that time, till this point, yeah, what year or what time do you say started your breakthrough?
2022.
That's just 2 years.
Yeah, that's 2 years.
Did you like undergo any form of mentorship?
Who did not? Like between 2020 and 2022, I went through like 5 to 6 mentorships. Una no pay money for mentorship.
I can't.
Like we're inside mentorships, we're paying for another mentorship.
Because you believe the first one you are in is not as
Not just that I believed, yeah. Okay, I've actually shared this story before, like many times. The first mentorship, that period is not even now that some mentors are actually being accountable. Back then, it was all rubbish. Somebody would just read candlestick, this thing, start posting on their story, candlestick. You would think they know what they are doing. You pay them, they will not share the PDF to you. You understand? So your own is just you start reading, but no guidance, nothing, you understand. So when you are there, some of your mates will now start talking about somebody that is actually making money. You now link up with that person, you pay too, you find out that that one is almost the same thing. Just pinch knowledge from here and there. So between 2020 and 2020, I've paid for at least, I think I paid like 5 to 6 mentorships.
with different mentors.
Different people entirely. And I was learning practically almost the same thing.
Okay, that's it's like just a little bit different.
Almost the same thing. Some were actually doing well, while some were not doing. They don't even know what they are doing at all. I think after 2022, I paid for another one. Just that the guy was doing something different, and I wanted to learn one particular thing.
Which you've been learning before.
No, this particular one, I saw his charts. He was practically trading almost the same thing, like Misha. But there is something he actually adds to his charts that I wanted to learn. So I had to pay him to learn it. And when I paid him, he's still starting from that beginner class and everything.
Yeah.
And it was not like, you know what, since you are Kelvin, because that time I already have a name.
Okay.
You know, it's not like since you are Kelvin, let me just teach you that and I go, no. If all of us we did the beginners course with others at the same time, everything. Some of those newbies were saying, I did not join his class with maybe a burner account or something. I joined with my main account,
Okay.
with my main WhatsApp. Some of his members there were saying, Kelvin, Kelvin,
Yeah,
Kelvin,
yeah.
inside this. I know really send. We were like three top guys that was in that class.
Hmm.
And when it got to the part where I wanted to learn, I learned that part and exited the group. Simple.
Simple as that.
As simple as it is. And the guy is my guy till today. So it's just I'm somebody that I am very, very hungry for knowledge.
Mm.
When I'm trading and maybe something is not really working and I see somebody that is actually doing the same thing and it is working, I don't mind. If you want me to pay, I'll pay and I'll learn that thing. And all these newbies now, these days, they'll be like, if you're making money, why are you charging
Why are
for
you paying
paying
for
for
mentorship? All
these
those
people? They
things.
don't even understand, sha.
When you think about it, you understand that okay, it since the person who built your university, the person that built your university, don't he have money? Why is he charging you for school fees? So when you think about it, you be like,
And it's not really
people
that
are
hard though.
serious.
If you want to learn from me in particular, from learn from somebody, and the person says pay, you pay. But if you don't want to, there are videos on YouTube,
Exactly.
crash course. You can go and learn there. The reason why I actually switched to forex in 2023 was prop firms.
Mm.
Yeah,
Okay, so it was in
yeah,
2023 you
yes.
switched.
I switched to forex in 2023. I was already making a lot from crypto, yeah,
Yeah.
but it's mostly four figures, small four figures. Sometimes I close the month with 3,000, 4,000.
Okay.
It's something
For sure.
because then the dollar rate was not much. Cement was still cheap. I was able to build like two, three houses at that period
Mm.
with that cement was like I think 1,000 something then. So it was kind of like cheap, and I was able to like do something with it. You understand?
Yeah.
But if you are comfortable in one particular place, you will not grow. Sometimes
Mm.
one of my guys used to be like, comfort sometimes is actually a curse. You have to like push yourself every time. Be hungry. You just got something now. Be hungry for more. Like you are wishing to get like this your Lexus now.
Yeah.
You just got this your Lexus now. You have been dying to get a Lexus.
Yeah.
You've gotten it right. Enjoy it. I just 1 month or so. Start aiming for something else immediately. That is how it is. So if I was like, I've arrived now,
Mm.
I'm earning some month I'll close with 5,000, 6,000. No Nigerian job can actually give you that in a
That
month,
amount of money.
right? So I could just relax, continue futures like that. But I needed to grow. I was very, very good with trading already, right? But there is this need to have access to bigger capital. So what me and my guys did was most of us, I don't know if you know Techris.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Techris, all of us, we're all crypto futures traders. Techris, Sarah, Kelvin King, SDX, many of them, right? So we're like, let's switch to Forex
Alright.
because of that problems. So as at, we already have big followings on social media,
Yeah.
on Twitter, we're already popular and everything as traders. So in 2023, I think January 2023, we started learning how to, just went to YouTube, watch how to execute on MT5, all those things. Just the forex markets, the charts. Crazy thing is, the charts were even easier
Than crypto.
than the crypto charts, right? If it was trending, it's trending. Unlike crypto chart, it can consolidate for like two,
Yeah.
3 months, and we still found a way to like make money
Make
from
money
it. So it
from
was a
it.
little bit easier for
Easy.
us that period, and we got Profim. The first Profim account I got was a 100K account,
Okay.
and I passed it within 2 weeks. The
Wow.
first account, right? Passed it, got my first payout was like $4,000.
Mm.
Got the first payout, and that was how I was able to like scale up gradually. First payout, second payout, third payout, one normal account. When I'm expecting 6,000, 7,000, I can easily fund 4, 5,000 on my MT5 personal accounts and just risk $1,000 or $2,000 there.
Yeah.
And a single trade can be giving me 3,000, 4,000. This is something I was making in a month.
Yeah, yeah. Waiting for that payout.
Yes. This is no, when I was trading crypto, at the end of the month, sometimes I make
Okay,
4,000,
okay, okay, okay.
5,000.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But now, with profit payouts, funding my own account, a single trade, one
Can give you
trade
that.
is not giving me
Could be in a
3,000,
day.
4,000. Sometimes in a day, sometimes in a week. That one trade is not giving me 3,000, 4,000.
Mm.
And as my account was building, before you know what's happening, one trade is giving me 10,000, 12,000, 10,000, 12,000, just like that.
It's crazy.
More payout is coming. I'm still funding my
Funding the
account.
account.
The account is also growing. Got to 6 figures, 7 figures, just like that. So
So basically, from 2023, that was like the start of the rising with Prop firm,
From 2023, yes, that was when I started doing five
bigger
figures.
numbers,
Yes, bigger numbers from 2023.
which is still directed to the roots that people are saying is bad.
Which
That's
route?
prop firm.
Oh, they say Profem. The
Prop
thing
firm.
about Profem is I actually posted it and I said, if you do not like Profem or if you claim that Profem is bad,
Hmm.
most people, most traders will even be like, Profem is a waste of time. It is not.
Yeah,
They've tried and they failed.
that's it now.
You understand? They've tried trading Profems and they were not successful with it.
That's it.
And that's why they actually like
Have that
criticize it.
ideology of it.
Yes. Because Profems now, one boy was like, Profem is not giving you real money, it's demo.
Cheers.
I looked at that post, I was like, when you request payouts
Don't
and they send
they?
when you request payouts and they send you your payouts, is it demo
Is
or
it
real
demo
money?
money?
Is it demo or real money?
Is
So
that
this
thing
is
you think about
something.
now?
The thing is, it's some people suffer from ignorance because they've not actually gotten to that particular level to understand how big Profem is and how it can actually help you
Make
as a
them
trader.
exactly.
Understand? If not for Profem at first, although I hardly trade Profems now, I think I still have like 3 or 400K funded. I'm still funded with like 3 or 400K accounts,
Mm.
but I hardly trade them now. Most times when I trade them, once I get like 6, 7K payouts, or sometimes 10K, I'm not aiming for that big this thing
Yeah,
because my
yeah.
personal account is
Enough.
enough and a lot, right? But at that first stage, those Profems helped a lot in scaling up.
That's a key
It's
point.
helped a lot in scaling up. If not for the Profems,
Mm.
right, it could have been
Your
private. Yes,
3K, 3K
yes,
money.
or I start looking for private investors, which
Yeah.
of course, the pressure there is also
It's
another
very
thing.
high.
Yes, so that Profems helps without any risks of
Losing somebody's money or
losing
being
somebody's money,
behind
being
bars.
on the run, all those
Exactly.
kind of things, right? So Profems kind of like put you in that safe space to
Mm.
calm down, trade with big capital, make a lot of money, and
With
just
little, with lesser risk. You're
yes,
only
with lesser
risking your
risks.
your challenge money.
Yeah, some Profems say once you pass the accounts, they will give you your challenge money back.
Exactly.
Understand? So yes, it's Profems. It will help you.
So which means now to your own like you would recommend more of usage of prop firm than trying to look for investor while somebody is trying to scale up.
If you're trying to scale up, avoid investors. Not that look, I will tell you, avoid.
Hmm.
It will never end well.
It's never end
It's
well.
two different things. Why?
It's not like
Unless you're already an established trader
yeah.
and you can afford to refund somebody when you blow their money, then you can comfortably collect their
Collect
money. You
money.
understand? But if you are trying to scale up, you don't have the money, right?
Yeah.
Then you are looking for investors to like maybe invest $100,000 in you, and you don't have $100,000 to your own name,
Yeah.
and you don't have a property or something that can give you that $100,000 if you blow that account. Avoid it because one, your mindset is not the mindset that can control $100,000.
Exactly. Just yet.
Yet it is not that mind. Your mindset cannot control $100,000, so it's not something you want to actually put yourself in because you end up blowing the accounts.
Money.
And when you blow the account, you start having issues.
This is a very good concept, like a concept that comes from a very well experienced perspective. Now to round it up, let's look at if, like you said, 2023 you dwelled on prop firm mostly, and that was the start of the bigger payouts and bigger profits. So now, would you say any trader who wants to start up should follow that path of having to go through prop firm and then working with a good plan?
Mm, Not all traders. There are some traders that they kind of like have money already
Coming into
before coming
trading.
into trading.
Yeah.
So there's actually no reason for you. Not like there's no reason, right?
Yeah.
It's actually a personal preference kind of thing. So if you are somebody that, let's say, you just want to start from there and mold yourself with rules and discipline, then Profem is for you. Not like it's compulsory and it's not
Mm.
something everybody must actually do. There are some
True.
traders that actually start with their own personal accounts, fund small, practice with it, then start funding bigger accounts just
Yeah.
like that because they can afford it.
Mm.
You understand?
Yeah.
So it's still practically the same thing.
That's really this question and answer. At some point, I'm thinking because I'm looking at it as I'm working on a program that can, of course, help traders get funded. I'm also trading with Profim, and I find it as a necessity for anybody that wants to come up. If truly you don't have the money,
Yeah.
so you should try your possible best to work with a prop firm
Even if you have the money, it's still something you should actually experience once
because of that discipline.
because of that
It will
discipline.
help you
Just
big
use it
time,
to train yourself.
and you grow bigger. So I'm looking at. Wait, who is Man City?
I am Man City.
Please turn it. Please turn it. You'll be cooked twice. Like
No,
back to back.
it's normal. There's no forex trader that can beat me.
Wow.
No forex trader can beat me.
Okay, so what feature do you think I can add to it that's going to make it more better in terms of planning? Because the idea here, like you said, is that plan. What plan do you think makes traders fail? Like you said, discipline. But what other that when inculcated, a trader can be more better and of course pass prop firms and get payouts?
Hmm. If they can actually learn to follow rules, right, it's going to help them a lot. And as well, if they can also learn to be patient, because
That's very
that's another thing. If they can learn to be very, very patient, it's still going to help them a lot. So if there is a way to make traders follow rules and be patient at the same time, you will find out that we'll have a lot more successful traders.
fact. This is what I usually do live stream every day. Break this thing down. When I do those things, people like ask, how do you do that? It's not magic. I keep like explaining it. It's not magic. You will start small and then be patient with that extreme discipline. So any particular thing you have to like any advice to tell the people that watch this video and even for me too.
Yeah, if you are watching this video, be open-minded and don't see the cars and everything, even his own cars, and be like, so you mean once I just buy Profim now, I'll buy car?
That kind of thing.
It took me how many years from 2022 to 2025 to actually get this particular big car and all. So that's like 3 years, right?
Yeah.
So it's not something that just came immediately.
Exactly.
So if you're actually trading or you are coming into trading, profits or whatnot, give yourself time to grow.
I think that's all. No. One last question.
Okay.
How can I make $100,000? Very, very important. This one can be off camera or off the camera.
Well, you need to have, let's say, you need to have a plan if you actually want to make that
Yeah,
$100,000.
that's the plan that we need from an experienced person.
It's still trading now. Just give yourself time.
So, what plan do I follow?
It could be fixed risk amounts. Let's say, even with somebody that is trading a 100K accounts,
Yeah.
right? If you are bagging consistent 3K, 4K payouts,
Yeah.
a lot of these platforms now, they are doing this bi-weekly payout thing where they pay you every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
If for some reason you're able to be making $2,000, $3,000 payouts, right?
Yeah.
At the end of the month, you'll be seeing 4,000, 5,000, right?
Mm.
So that's actually something. In 2 months, that's like 6,000, 8,000. There will be losses, and I'm not even fixing it at that 2,000, 3,000. There are some months you can actually make more. This is something one trade can actually give you, right?
Right.
But some months you can make more. But I'm just putting like an average. You are making 2,000, 3,000 from profits,
Yeah.
right? Then you should be able to like maybe fund your accounts, your life accounts at the same time, and trade them as well, right?
Right.
Maybe if you fund $10,000 in your life account, you're risking two, $300 or $500 per trade.
Yeah.
1 to 2, 1 to 3 hour. One trade is giving you 1.5. When you start compounding,
Right.
within a year or so, check your accounts. You will most likely see a whole lot more profits than the usual. And with no time, on what is 100K, you'll be making a lot more than that.
What is 100K?
But you cannot just be like because you want to make
get
it,
it
then you
once.
want to do it with one payouts and all. No,
Madness.
you'll be burning yourself. But when you compound, you can get it.
You get it. I think that has solved my problem because at this point I have to go and do that planning well. And if I eventually post this part, follow that plan.